हेलो देयर एवरीवन। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे लिट कोड नंबर 1358, नंबर ऑफ सब स्ट्रिंग कंटेनिंग ऑल द थ्री कैरेक्टर्स. सो हियर you will be provided a string containing of the only three characters A, B and C, and in that you have to find all that substrings that uh, must contain at least one character of A, B and C. Like for example, A, B, C, A, B, C. Here in this string, as you can see, in this string, substring A, this one, it contain all the at least one character of A, B, and C. So it is a valid substring, right? So here it we can count in at is 1. Okay, so in this whole substring we have to find how many number of substrings possible in which at least one count, at least one frequency of A, B and C. So let's calculate out how numbers of substring is possible. So if here we will use the two pointer approach, we will fix one, like let's take left and right. We will fix here left. We will move towards right hand side the right pointer. Okay, first the left and right both pointer will point to A. Here A only, and on next with loop we will move right pointer to on right hand side, then it will point to B, then C, then here on the same time we will maintain the frequency of these element, so that we can know when the frequency of these three at least is 1, so we can maintain an answer variable, and we will increment that counter, right? So what we will do here, both left and right pointer will point to A, and then the loop will be incremented. Right will point to B, then C, then here we see, let's take an example, A, B and C. In starting the whole frequency of ABC will be 0, right? So left and right are both pointing to A, right? Left is equals to A, right is equals to A, right? So now what happened, we will move right pointer toward right hand side, so it will point to B. Acha, here it will be 1, now B, so B's frequency will also be 1. Now we will move right pointer to right hand side, now it will point to C, so the frequency of C will be updated. Now it is equals to 1. Now see, there will be we will again at each time we will see whether the frequency is greater than 0 or not. If it is, then we will increment the answer variable, right? So now the answer will be answer is equals to 1. Okay, now now what we will do, we will now decrease the left pointer. Now we will decrease the left pointer in order to maybe there may be a situation where the number of characters behind it may be there. Let's take a case. In this case, A C B. As we can see here, when the right pointer will be at B and left pointer will be A, definitely this whole string acts as a substring and it is satisfying the condition. But what about this substring? This is also satisfying the condition, right? So seeing this situation, we have to move left pointer also, because this is also a valid substring. Okay, so what we will do here, we will move left pointer towards the right hand side to get maybe another substring. Okay, so when our frequency, when our condition met, we will increment the left pointer towards the right hand side to see whether we get a shorter substring or a new substring or not. Okay, if we couldn't found it, we will stop left there only, and then we again point right pointer towards the right hand side. We will move the right pointer towards the right hand side. Okay, so here what happens, the condition met, right is pointing to C, left is pointing to A. Now we will increment the left pointer towards the right hand side. So now left will point to B. Now when left will be moving towards the right hand side, we will decrease the frequency also. Okay, so the frequency of A will decrease. Now it will become 0. Okay, now left is pointing to B, right is pointing to C, and here we can see the condition doesn't met, so we will stop the left there only. We will now move right pointer towards the right hand side. Now the right pointer will point to A. Okay, now the frequency of A will again increased. Now the condition again met, right? So the answer variable also increased. Now it is equals to 2. Now since the condition again met, we will move the left pointer towards the right hand side. So now left point to C. We will decrease the frequency also to 0. Again the condition doesn't met, so we will stop left there only, and we will increase the right pointer. So the right pointer will now point to B, right? Sorry, this will be 1 and this will be 0. Now we find B, so again we will increase the frequency of B, so it will be 1. So again the condition met, we will increase the answer variable to 3. Okay, now answer variable is 3. We will move the left pointer to A, and we will decrease the C pointer to 0. So frequency of C is equal to 0 now, because it will be get decreased. Okay, now as we can see 1 1 0, the condition doesn't met, right? So we will move the right pointer towards the right hand side. So again the right pointer will point to C. Now C, we will increase the frequency. Now again the condition met, answer is equals to 4, right? Now again if we decrease the left pointer, means we will if we move the left pointer to the right hand side, it will be B. Now B's frequency of B will be 0. Now this is the answer. Answer is equals to 4. There are 4 possible substrings. Now there are 4 possible substrings in this, right? So now we will take another test case. For example, in taking another test case, A, B, C. In this, let's take again left pointer pointing to A, right pointer pointing to A only. There will be the answer variable or answer any counter. Let's take it as A answer, and it will be initially 0. Okay, and there will be a function that will be checking whether at any particular time in the whole loop we will again and again checking whether the condition met or not, whether in a particular substring all the requirement fulfilled or not. What are the requirements? At least the frequency must be of all the 3 characters must be greater than 0, right? So there will be a boolean check function. What it will do, it will check whether the frequency, which is initially 0, is greater than 0 or not. Okay, so again, so let's take it here. Is equals to 0, right is equals to 0. Okay, sorry, A. Now left is pointing to A, right is also pointing to A. Okay, so now we will move the left pointer, means right pointer, to next A. So it will be A only. Now we will increase the pointer, right, well, first 1 and 2, right, 2, then again A, 3, then B, 1, and C, and 1. The criteria matched, right? A has frequency 3, which is greater than 0. Okay, B is greater than, B's frequency of B is also greater than 0. Yes. The frequency of C is also greater than 0. Yes. So the answer variable will get incremented. It is 1. Okay. Now we will move the left pointer toward the right hand side, so that there may be possibility that we can get a shorter substring which also satisfy the condition. So the left pointer now will point to second A. Now the condition, the frequency got decreased. Is the condition met? Yes, of course. So answer will be 2. Now answer left will point to next A. The frequency of A get decreased. Is the condition met or not? Yes, it is. So again the answer will get incremented. Okay. Now if we again move the left pointer towards the right hand side, it will point to B, and the moment it will point to B, the frequency of A becomes 0, and the whole condition will not met, and the answer will be equals to 3. Let's see the code. So here I have made a global vector frequency for storing the frequency of the whole 3 variable A, B and C. Here I am considering that at index 0 I am storing A. Okay, if I am taking frequency of 0 will pointing to frequency of A, frequency at index 1 is pointing to frequency of B, frequency of index 2 is pointing to frequency of C. Okay, so here is the check function that will return key frequency of 0 is greater than 0, and frequency of 1 is greater than frequency at index 1 is greater than 0, and frequency at index 2 is greater than 0. Means the all frequency of A, B and C must be greater than 0. It's the check function we will use again and again to check whether the frequency is greater than 0 or not of all whole 3 variable A, B and C. Now here it's the main function, number of substrings, string S. We will take the I have taken only left as left variable. The I here is working like a right pointer. Okay, here is the total as an answer. Okay, here total act as an answer, its length. Now we will start from 0. Okay, when it will be as A, we will increment the frequency of 0. Okay, like here when we were getting A, we were incrementing the frequency of A, right? So here it's the same. When we are getting string of I is equals to A, then we are incrementing frequency at index 0 is incrementing at the frequency at index 0. Okay, likewise B and C. Okay, so when we get A, B and C, the check variable as true, means we are getting the condition, we are meeting the condition. So what we will do, simple, as you can see here. So here what are all the possible substrings? Oh, this gets wrong, right? So let me explain it again. Okay, so here was the 3 length of substring was getting condition met, right? A, B, C satisfy the condition. So What about this? This is also meeting the condition, right? What about this? And what about this? This is also meeting the condition, right? So here is a trick. If at any point the condition met, it means we can add next to, if there it is, we can add next to string character of the string also, that will also be valid. All right, so here is the trick, key this length of substring met the condition. So what are the number of possible ways number of substrings can be generated from this to this? So first ABC, this will be the valid substring. A B C A, this will be 2. A B C A B, this will be 2. A B C A B C, this will be 2. So what's the total number of substring? It's length minus index. Got it? So similarly, here also what I am doing, when I meet the condition key all the frequency of all variable ABC is greater than 0, we are finding the number of substring possible, including that number of substring. So total, we are adding in total plus length minus index. Okay, so if so we get the total number of substring which include that small substring satisfy the condition. Okay, now we will start decreasing incrementing the left pointer toward the right hand side. So as we move towards right hand side, the left pointer will move and the frequency also will get decreased, right? Similarly, and while we move the left pointer to the right hand side, we will check again and again whether satisfying the condition or not. Right here I have explained, right? We were getting the here only right pointer here and left pointer was here, and we were getting the condition, and since the right pointer is at the end, so total is equals to total plus what's the length? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Total number of substring possible is this only. Okay, now we will decrease the now we will increment the left pointer, means we will move the left pointer to the right hand side. So what we will get, again we will get this length, then again this length, and the answer will be 3. Similarly, what I am doing here only. Okay, we are moving the left pointer toward the right hand side, then again checking whether it is valid or not. If it is, we are again calculating the total number of substring possible, then again calculating while this condition met is meeting, we will continue to find the length of the, means we will continue to find the total number of substring possible. Okay, then inside the for loop, and then finally we will return the total number of total variable as the answer. This was the question.